All right, let's talk about making money online. You know, that thing everyone says it's so easy, but when you try it, you end up with 47 browser tabs open, a headache, and exactly $0 in your bank account. Sound familiar? Yeah, I thought so. But here's the thing. Making money online isn't about finding a magical get-rich-quick button. It's about finding what works for you and taking consistent action. First, let's acknowledge the struggle. You're not alone. We've all been there, scrolling through success stories, wondering why everyone else is making bank while you're still trying to figure out how to monetize your cat's Instagram account. The truth is, making money online can feel overwhelming because there are so many options. Freelancing, dropshipping, YouTube, blogging, affiliate marketing. It's like standing in front of a buffet with no plate. Most people get stuck in the research phase. They spend so much time looking for the perfect opportunity that they never actually start. And guess what? Perfect doesn't exist. The key is to pick one thing, take action, and adjust as you go. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You don't read a manual for 6 months. You get on the bike, fall a few times, and eventually figure it out. Same thing applies here. Let's use a simple framework, the 1 to 3 5 rule. It's super easy. Pick one skill you want to learn, 3 platforms to explore, and 5 actions to take this week. For example, maybe you want to learn copywriting. That's the one skill. You could explore platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. That's the 3 platforms. And your 5 actions could be update your LinkedIn profile, create a portfolio, pitch 3 clients, join a freelance group, and watch 1 tutorial. Boom, you've got a plan. Pick one skill or idea you've been curious about. Right now, open a new tab, research one platform, and take one small step today. It could be signing up for a freelancing site, creating a social media account, or even just watching a tutorial. And when you're done, come back here and let me know what you did. Drop a comment like, I just took my first step to making money online, because momentum starts with that first move. And here's the thing, making money online isn't about overnight success. It's about consistency, learning, and adapting. So take that first step. Start small. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button because we're all in this together. Let's turn someday into today. You've got this.